nerves, Chihuahua diary. Take you down blood clot memory lane. Me go in the group cause me still have the blood clot group on my phone. Me still have the group. You're outside in a blood clot. Suckish pussy. And show the people them. Let me take you down blood clot memory lane, you suck pussy, Nicole. Nicole, remember say me come out of the group, you know. Remember say me come out of the blood clot group. You understand? Me come out of the group because the nasty things them. The nasty things them where did I go on? Up, me have to come. Yeah? Up. So you know say me not tell no lie now. Me show you. Oh, Jesus, me go get. Blood clot is a pussy that Nicole said in the group, you know. It's a pussy that Nicole in the blood clot group, you know. Nicole, me want you show me which part in that group, yeah. Me did I look no girl. Yeah? Me come out of the group because the group appear cocky and pussy in the group. And me say this group is not for me. Because I believe that flirting is a part of fucking cheating. Me want to take you down blood clot memory lane, Nicole. End the life fast. Me nah keep it. Me nah keep it. It pass already. Me never realize. So me I show the pussy them when Nicole put in the blood clot group. Me gonna play all our voice note them. And me I show the people them, you know. Where the blood clot? No, me not save the video. Me I look for all of your blood clot on it. You walk and suck pussy like dog. You outside. You're bright. You can bring suck pussy to my blood clot name. Me expose your nasty dirty blood clot over here so. Wait. Cause me want go way blood clot back. I keep the group because of you, you know, me not delete it off of my blood clot phone. Cause you can't bring suck pussy thing to me. You can't blood clot talk about me suck pussy. Because me come out when me wake up and me in the group, me in the group for like 1 week. And me I say no to blood clot, that group here is not for me. I be a pussy and cocky and this and that in the group. Big up yourself, auntie, that me I expose Nicole. Me I expose suck pussy Nicole. Nicole, you should have called me name. You should have bring suck pussy name to me. Weird people, the amount of blood clot message in the group. Bumbo clot. Wait. She suck pussy like dog. She go in the group and she suck off the whole group. She go Canada. She drive all the way go Canada, you know, people. All the way, you know. Canada, you know, the woman drive go, you know. For go suck pussy, you know. That's how nasty this fucking nasty blood clot argument. No way, people. Hey, people. Motor things. I can't even show. Like, me can't. Me have the voice note there. Me can't show some of the things them. I call them nasty. And she me come for. Daria one. Dari, you think if you pitch your voice loud. Dari, alright, my back big. What you gonna do about it? What you going to do? Pussy and no blood clot shame. You go bring it down today. Go sit down. Go beard. You're mad. You jump from life. All the life them where you jump. You still a go get bring down. Because when you go ready for come, who sister you have? May I show the people them in the group, the suck pussy group, when Nicole said me in the group. Me in the group, I look girl for suck. That can never blood clot happen. Suck pussy Nicole. Nicole, you are the only Hoover we walk on Hoover. Your mouth is a blood clot Henry Hoover. A man supposed to walk and suck so. Yeah? And you as a woman walk and suck pussy like dog. You can't bring suck pussy argument to me. You understand? Because me never blood clot participate in that group there. That group there was PG. Rated 18 to 20. You understand? And I never want to be weird. For here. Wait, mama lock the blood clot WhatsApp cause so the fucking say me hate the new WhatsApp I see. Wait there. No weird people. Me have a blood. Nicole, you know me saved that. Can't leave me alone. No. No. Wait, me chada. Your old chada. Your blood clot come like say. You know what, me bring you down tonight, you know. But me I bring you down tonight. It shall go down. Wait, come off of the fucking group for man. Your blood clot, man. You know weird people. You know what, me bring her down, but me I bring her down.
The girl is trying to mix up everybody. Everybody. That's what she
This is the woman where she suck her pussy, you know. The big woman.
Prepárate para que sienta.
Cho. Wait.
She's not that.
Me want the one them she. You want hear her. You sick stomach, Nicole. Nicole, you should come talk about no suck pussy argument with me. Me no run suck pussy argument. Cause me death never. That will never blood clot happen. Never. Me suck pussy, you must out of your fucking people. Me can't show the things them in the group because my page I go get black.
When I'm fucking people right in front
Now
of me.
you know.
No, I give him the go to do whatever he wants. But he's got kind of thing in front of me. Giving them the go, then they pack and go. You understand? If you go and go fuck out, I would like him go cheat and do that. You don't give no man a go. You give him the red, no green light and tell him to do as him want do. No way. That's the reason why the respect is not there.
I use a curse and a curse me.
Doing everything in front of her.
Oh, child, Nicole, me must say me no.
Talk about she give him the go. You don't give him
Me
no fucking go.
Me not talking in that group there, cause that group that wasn't me.
You understand?
Yeah? You can't use your some pussy nasty blood clot life. You have big 1910 blood clot dinosaur. You don't even look good. You don't look good. You suck pussy. You don't look good for a sodomite.
Tracy, them have no respect for their marriage.
Here are attack.
She is there. She going with a whole heap of things.
This is the woman when named Queen, you know.
And seeing what she's doing.
And she and Queen have a RG, you know, with three of the other girls in the group, you know.
And she was there. You understand? Till one of the times she gets all pissed off. And of course, because the man look woman in front of her, right in front of her, the man put words to other people. So she got pissed off too. But none of them have no respect for each other. I could tell you, look how stupid this bitch is. You ever walk and I tell people, say, your husband is a batty man because he must screw the neighbor. And at the same time, the husband live with you. You understand? And I sleep with you. And you just a lie and a lie and a lie. That means you all shit up. So what kind of lie that you tell from your husband? And if something goes so, why you still with your husband? You see how stupid she is?
Remember say me and fret them. Me and fret them.
At the same time, she
I for war with that woman here where she attack.
Jennifer, she back her. She
nasty stuff pussy girl.
You know when me see Jennifer, me say to when me see the Pancho, me ask Pancho if it makes
I fuck the woman blood clot the man woman.
And she was shocked and she look up on Jennifer. Listen, I the same thing she do with poor Pancho. She talk like, you know, the man is the worst thing in the world.
Woman nasty.
At night time,
she nasty.
she itch up underneath.
Me never see one big blood clot woman nasty so. You can't chat to me.
You see, you see a suitcase of dildo you get now.
On the ear her.
If I get dildo, you get barrel and suitcase of dildo.
On the ear the dirty woman. On the ear her.
One should do the job. You understand? So, if another spliff or a glass of rum, the dildo should do the job. But whatever make the brain soothes and calm down, you have to go draw feet today, because today a holiday. So a celebration day today. So anyway, you have to do the celebration. Wait, what sweetness there? Blood clot sweetness. I buy your ticket, sweetness. Sweetness, me I buy your ticket.
Yeah, with Queen.
A one-way ticket too. I mean, you now come out of that hole when you
woman, let me just show.
One-way ticket, sweetness. Call me. One-way ticket, me I buy you.
When you hear her, is a woman this one name sweetness, you know? Is a woman, you know? She has to say for call her, you know? Alright, the woman is a dirty, nasty, suck pussy.
Take a drink and
nasty, suck pussy, blood clot, girl. Navlet. Suck pussy, navlet. I can't show in the group. The group is here. Nasty pussy. Pussy like sun. Me a pussy in the group.
Close off already, only in the
yes, the front them attack, yeah.
And they believe she taking everything off. So even to start the fight.
When people get up and worship vanity, right? Uno not live no life. Me no sooner go up on no holiday. Me no sooner go away for a little weekend. Go relax and get to no body massage. Day in and day out. Rub this, rub that. Red Bull, big back, storm this, storm that. This, that, down, uncle talk. Suitcase face. This, that, suki, this, that. Uno steal out now. Yeah? Uno not keep. Puss me know your earth. Puss. Let me tell you something. When a man fuck you and bring you down, that's a wicked bring down. Keep on telling yourself, you go bring me down. You go don't fuck me, miss my brother. You go was only saying what you wanted him to say because of the what? Germany. Right? You could never, Jesus Christ, I don't want to see the pussy them not a group. You could never get a man for love you naturally, like how me a rallying relationship, nurtured and love. You understand? 1 minute uno say my man now fuck me. Next minute uno say my fuck and breathe too much. Make up on a man. There you don't have no words for nobody thief, chihuahua. Roof, 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 roof. You not have no word for nobody thief. You say the same thing over and over again. Wait,
like she make up a story now and she said, Tommy told me she called Gollibop. Gollibop called her. And Gollibop is saying to Tommy, Tommy, go check yourself. I'm sick, I'm sick, I'm sick. I'm going to go back to ask Tommy if she called Gollibop and Gollibop tell her to go check. You understand what I mean? So I'm like, you know what? Let me keep my mouth and keep the fuck and get the fuck out of this mess. You understand? Because it's not like she's just saying, Tommy, I've ate. She is telling me, Tommy, Gollibop called Tommy. She's telling details. Gollibop called Tommy and tell Tommy,
I'll Gollibop out to sucker.
Please, I beg you.
She gonna meet Gollibop.
Check yourself.
She gonna meet Gollibop in a one $5 hotel.
She's talking and she's telling it as if it's like I don't know. But the thing is too lazy. The things that she's talking about people, and she's talking things in details, and she's saying people tell her. Because I'm like, how do you know all this? And she's telling me that people tell her.
Never say
okay, love. I thought it was your special day, but I mean, if you want, I could join in. I have no problem with that.
Oh my God. Wait enough. Blood clot. What the ear is a woman this people, you know say if me the talking at the group, I would have played it. I wouldn't afraid to play it. Yeah? Coming up, not hide. When you hear this big blood clot married woman, a flirt, I should have the audacity. Fear come say, me, big girl pussy in a blood clot nasty group. You outside a dirty woman. You outside are you alone in the group of big pussy. You should have trouble me. You should have trouble me, Nicole. You should have left me alone.
I thought it was your special day, but I mean, if you want, I could join in. I have no problem with that.
And you want to come nasty up my good name? Are you out of your fucking mind?
Because the thing is, I'm not looking at it as a lie. I'm looking at it as a gossip.
Here are.
I notice her pattern. You would not ask her anything, and she would come. Oh, Nicole, guess what? Did you know that Alfonso fuck Lizzie?
Jesus.
And then she start a debate on the subject, and for days she lived on the subject. When she know nothing don't go like that, and if she make it up. You understand? And she go around and she do it with everybody. Do you know that Tracy calling me for asking me for money? When you check it out, Tracy don't even call her. But the thing is, I'm not asking you guys what she's telling me, so she get away with it for a long time.
Yeah,
you understand?
Mix up, where dirty woman. Yeah, dirty suck pussy mix up. Oh my. I don't know enough for fuck with me, because I will let out no secret, though. Don't know. Don't know, say me have a receipt. Receipt, you know. Me can back up any accusation, you know. Wanna throw up on me, you know. Yeah. Me can back it up. So people, is so much. Me I got my bed now. Me now give them blood clot, girl, yeah. No more of my time. The people them here say you a big pussy in the group. And you suck down the group, not me. I never participate in the group. I was put in a dirty fucking group, and I stay in there for 1 fucking week, and I exit out the group, and I tell Queen, this group is not for me. Flirting is a part of cheating. The motor man, me can't show no. The motor man in my blood clot inbox. Man like nothing. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. I'm not. Look, I'm not. Look, very nice. Wow. Look, hi. Look, Manala call me. Like, look, beautiful. Wow. You know, these all men, you know. These are all men. Man. Are you single? I don't even open it up. What you lot are saying? I am a very beautiful girl. Man want me from all angles. Look at this. Like, what are you saying, diary? I'm not interested. I am not. You understand? Sure. My hand touch upon this. You know, look. You know, so much man. You know, giving me art and all the things, them. These are men, you know. What the fuck could I say? So cute, girl. I don't need you lot to tell me I'm cute. You understand? The alpha male, that's a man, are telling me that I'm beautiful. I don't even open up 3/4. I don't open up most of them. No, I don't. Look at this. This is all man. I don't need no ugly cyclops looking diary me nice snubble clot. And the man them, hey beautiful, good morning. Look at that. Look at that, you know. These are men. Happy lifestyle, Tanya. Look at this. Hi, hello, GM girl. Wow, take time. Wow, 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 wow. Love you, George. I don't even know this. Like, look at this. Like, wanna say, man in my inbox like sun. Man in my blood clot inbox, me love how you look. Wanna come show me which part blood clot man in a phone inbox. Hi, pretty Tanya. I don't even know these men, you know. They're just all. She's about to see her man name. Hey, whoa, murder. Yeah, me a show blood clot. Then, Diary, what are you saying? Hi, morning. How are you? I don't even answer them. Hi, dear. How are you doing? Nice to meet ya. Like your style, clean to the bone. Yeah, what are you saying? Like, I don't need you bitches to tell me I'm nice. Look like you know the thing there, mama. Look at that, look there. Hi, good morning. How look. You just nice, sir. It's a man that tell me that, you know. Them confidence, the must blood clot. Huh? Me not have to come back social media. Me say me got it like blood clot that. I got it. You see, big pussy girl. Stretch out old girl when ush part. Hi, Tanya. How are you? I don't even know these people. I don't know them. Huh? Big hearts and that. Beautiful. Wow. Manala, give me them number. Look at this. Wanna say. Me not understand so much. Man wants blood clot me. Yeah, wants me. And I only have eyes for one man. And it's that's my ugly man diary. Yeah, I'm not interested. Me a rally, me let's get rally in the phone.